Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I am Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video shows how to make and use pie charts. Let's get started. Okay, most people are familiar with pie charts. They depict qualitative data as slices of a circle, like pieces of a pie, hence the name pie chart. And in this example here, you got your pumpkin, you got your blueberry, you got your, well, I kind of like strawberry pie. Hey, what kind of pie is green? Key lime pie. Yeah, we're going to be key lime pie here. Purple. I was trying to think purple. When I see purple with food, I think grape, but I've never had grape pie. So purple is going to be like Matilda surprise pie. Then this other blue right here, we're going to say this is, we said it's blueberry over here. So, yeah, I'll have to think about something for that piece and get back to you. Seriously, this pie chart displays how some particular person spends his or her money. No surprise here. They're spending almost half their money on rent. Look at this, 48%. Okay, then almost a fifth of their money goes to food, and you can see the rest of the distribution here. Now, in looking at this pie chart, I have to say, I think the data came from a woman. I mean, what guy is going to have a separate line item for clothes? Okay, and because it constitutes roughly 1/5 of what this person pays in rent. Now, not that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, hey, I'm not judging here. I'm just saying. And then there's this 5% for phone expenses. That's like 1/10 of the rent payment. Now, again, not that there's anything wrong with that either. I'm just saying, if you spent like $1,000 a month in rent, okay, then according to this pie chart, you'd be spending $200 a month on clothes and $100 a month on the phone. Well, that phone expense doesn't seem too far out for anyone, especially with the big companies, whatnot. But the $200 a month for clothes? Okay, I'm just going to let you decide if this is a guy or a girl. Okay, how about that? Now, you can make pie charts in StatCrunch. Let's watch a short demonstration of how to do that for the ages of elected U.S. presidents using the POTUS data file in our StatCrunch group. Okay, we're here in the POTUS file, and we're going to make a pie chart from the ages of elected U.S. presidents. So to do that, we're going to go up here to Graph, and in the drop-down menu, we're going to select Pie Chart with Data, because we have actual data. If we had a summary table, then we'd select with Summary. But we don't. We have actual data, so we're going to select with Data. We'll select the age column, because that's where our data is located. The default for display is to have both the count and the percent total. These actually display in the legend of the pie chart. You can select one or the other if that's what you want. I don't have a problem with just leaving the default both selected. That's fine. Order by value ascending is fine. Of course, you can, there's all the different options that you can actually order the elements of the pie chart by. Start angle is a interesting input here. So we've got 0 as the default. 0 degrees on your unit circle if you ever taken trigonometry. We'll show you where that is here in a minute. So most of these default options are great. So we'll just hit compute. Yes, there's a lot of data here, so let's just go ahead and click OK. And here's my pie chart. Notice the 0 here. This is 0 degrees. And notice the first that comes above the 0 degrees as we move in that counterclockwise direction. Again, that's positive angles here. So it moving in that direction, the first category, 40 to 45, is right here. And then the next one, 45 to 50, so on and so forth around the circle. Now, if I wanted to, say, rotate this around so that this is actually up here, I can come back to my options window and say, I'm going to, say, move that up to 90 degrees. And now notice what happens. See? That blue section that was here is now up here. So what was 0 degrees is now 90 degrees. It's going straight up. That's basically pie charts. Pretty simple. Of course, you can always play around with the option menus to learn some more on your own. But I hope this helped you out. Okay, here's a summary of what we just did. So if you prefer this as a guide to the video we just saw, you can pause this video here and use this guide to help you construct your pie chart. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. And that's a good thing, because all this talk of pie is making me hungry. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Now, where can I snag some chocolate cream pie? Oh, sweet!